Lasco Products, an international manufacturer of indoor and outdoor electric fans, humidifiers, space heaters, and utility boxes, invited us, the Springton Lake Middle School Video Club, to visit their factory in West Chester, PA, so we could learn what is so cool about manufacturing.
Lasco Products was a family company founded by Henry Lasco in 1906. It was originally based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, but as it progressed, it moved to West Chester, Pennsylvania 13 years later. Over the years, Lasco has expanded and has opened a manufacturing plant in Franklin, Tennessee to expand their business and give many job opportunities. Overall, Lasco's international functionality for customers has always been a main priority for over 100 years.
Lasco offers many different employment opportunities to people from all different educational backgrounds. The engineers at Lasco appreciate the freedom to experiment and tinker with competitors' products.
We'll actually take them apart and we'll see, what are the internals, what type of element they use, what type of blower, the electronics, and then we'll see how ours compare, try to design ours to be something similar or really better.
The design teams have access to high-tech machines and computers in order to edit designs, create prototypes, and finalize products.
Because we are an all-girls club this year, it was important for us to find out what opportunities Lasco offers equally to men and women.
Oh, there's definitely equal opportunity in all the fields around here.
We've had women in the model shop, interns, full-time. We've had my friend who was a designer here, Elena. She worked here for a long time before moving on to another company, but yeah, so it's pretty equal.
I don't think being a woman has deterred any part of my job in this company.
Here at Lasco's, it is definitely equal opportunity. Anyone here, a female, male, can get the position wherever. There was a male in this position at one point, and I had taken over, and I am a female.
We asked the employees of Lasco what's so cool about manufacturing. Here's what they said.
The cool thing about working in manufacturing, you get to see them in the background on a TV show or in a movie. It's kind of neat.
The hands-on aspect of it.
It's pretty awesome to spend a lot of time working on a project and then you go out into a store and see something that you worked on or were part of on the shelf. I mean, it's kind of surreal.